Hey, so I didn't film an intro for my first dish, so I'm doing it now. Welcome to Midnight Diner, a result of jet lag and being back in Singapore and really missing Asian flavors. We're going to start off with a Korean-ish army stew with ribs. I just did a big haul from Rib Mart, so I have a stocked fridge and a lot of excitement to get back on cooking to preserve hopefully recipes that I can use in the future if I forget, or for people to learn from, and I hope it helps you guys. So most of the recipes this month and next month will be slow carb because I haven't been taking care of myself, and that's bad. Also referred to the It Me movement, that means that I take a photo without makeup and put it on Instagram every day for 100 days in a row, amidst all the other weird filters and art edits, etc, etc. But yeah, there's that, which really helped me last year when I was feeling a bit like self-conscious and what is the point. So this year is about fixing things we don't like about ourselves to improve and be better and kinder, faster maybe, and smarter. It's about really coming into my own and putting myself out there, because I love making food and I love flavors and I'm obsessed with cooking, and I just want to share it with everyone, and hopefully this grows step by step. I gotta work on lighting for the food, I know, but hopefully it turns out well. Okay, I gotta pause this to check on something that sounds like it's over boiling, so I will be right back. Okay, so nothing burned. The bak kut teh is simmering. That will be dish 2 on the Midnight Diner series, and it's extremely nerve-wracking to just put myself on the camera and speak, and I keep looking at the top and I'm just like, don't look at the top, don't look at the top. It's hard, it's scary. Instagram lets you get away with looking at yourself while you film yourself. So this year I am just facing everything head on, with my dreams and goals and aspirations, and hopefully we have a lot of fun along the way. I want to share lots of recipes, cooking techniques, and have, I want to say fun again, but have experiences and learning lots of cool things, and maybe music also. And I don't know, let's just get arty and foodie and musicy and have lots of fun and learn more about ourselves and be like confronted and scared. And I hope you guys go on this journey with me. Subscribe and comment and tell me what you want to see, or whether you have more tips about cooking, because I'm always interested in that stuff. I'm always learning, and I think that's so important, and I never want to lose that. Okay, so yesterday's dish is going to be kimchi-ish, Korean-ish, army stew-ish thing with ribs, which is super comforting, and it's also slow carb friendly, I think. Tell me if I'm wrong. I used gochujang, which is kind of like a rice paste, but I feel like you can't be too obsessed with the diety stuff or you get really miserable. And I don't want to go like full tilt with the diet, because like I want to be healthy, but I don't really see the need to get obsessive about it, because I don't think that's a good place to be. And I used to battle with lots of eating disorders in the past, and I don't want to get back to that place. I just want to be happy and healthy and take you guys on this journey with me to make yummy food and learn that making food might not be as hard as you thought. So Korean-ish hearty stew recipe. Hope you guys have fun. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.